Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. In this video, we're gonna talk about yet another wearable, the Mi Watch Lite. Yes, we just talked about Xiaomi's wearable, the Mi Watch, but this time around, we have an even more budget-friendly version as to what it can do, how it looks, and well, all other things we want to know about this new watch. Let's unbox to see. The Mi Watch Lite, everyone, it comes in this really nice compact blue package. Nothing on the sides except for more branding. On the back, some features like built-in standalone GPS, multiple fitness modes, water resistant up to 50 meters, and swimming and stroke recognition. Screen auto brightness, 1.41-inch colorful HD touchscreen, and 24-hour heart rate monitoring. Ta-da! I have a sword. The better to open packages with. I have moved up in the world. Wait, it's not even opening. It's not a very sharp sword. I'm thinking we got the blue version. It says on the plastic, designed by Xiaomi. Ooh, it doesn't pull out. How do I get to the watch? At the bottom here, there's a tiny little watch sign. So is this where... Oh, there we go. On this side, we have, should be the charging port. We have the pins over there and a USB. We also have user guide. Finally, we have the watch. Ooh. So like we saw earlier, that thing says designed by Xiaomi. There we go. We are seeing the sensors. So it's looking like these straps are removable. We have buttons down here. On the right, there's one button. So the case is matte and pretty lightweight. So I'm pretty sure if you wear this thing, it's not gonna be heavy. That is a silicone strap. Ooh, that actually fits. I was afraid that it'd be too big for my teeny wrists, but the tiniest hole is just right. That is a pretty lightweight watch. Doesn't look too big on my wrists. Let's power it up. So it's pretty easy to connect this watch to your phone. Basically, scan the QR code on the watch and then you proceed to download the Xiaomi Wear App. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to devices, add a device, and then this is the Mi Watch Lite. Right. Agree. Done. And we are paired. And yes, I get you, it does seem pretty new because this is different from the Mi Fit app that we've been connecting our wearables like the Mi Band 5 to. And so yes, this is the app we need to be downloading, the Xiaomi Wear App. And that is a cute lady. Right, so from here it gives you your profile, and yes, I do have two watches connected here, which is pretty cool because I've connected the Mi Watch to another phone with this same account, and when I downloaded it to the second phone, this shows up. So yeah, also watch my Mi Watch video. You can check battery life details and all the different watch faces. So as you can see here, all you need to do is apply quickly and you're good. We even have more watch faces over here, like way more watch faces. So point is, there are a lot of cute options. And then here you get to customize app notifications that shows up on your wrist, calls, user guide, permissions, additional settings. You can even manage the widgets on your watch, and you can also check out workout details. And then you have all the stats that your watch takes note of over here. Oh, also you can sort all of that according to your liking. Now, let's check out the actual watch. This watch is nice and light. I like that because that means it's easier to keep it on your wrist even at night when you sleep. and that makes sense because this thing has sleep tracking. More on what it can do later, but yeah, it does look like your standard square smartwatch. That dark blue looks good. OTD wise, it's okay. It's not atrocious on my wrist. It looks like a smart wearable. Right, so from here, if you swipe down, you get your phone notifications. Swipe up gives you all the different settings like flashlight, raise to wake. You have an unlock screen. Wait, what did I do? Okay, so I basically just locked my screen. There is do not disturb mode. There is wake for 5 minutes. And then you have watch face settings on here. And depending on which watch face you use, you can even switch the stuff that you can see on the face. So for example, I want to put heart rate here. You can change that. Battery, you can change that. You get what I mean. And then you also have brightness settings. There is an auto adjust brightness setting, so that's good. And you can do brightness settings from 1 up until, well, 6. So under settings, you even have like heart rate monitoring. It's set to 30 minutes right now, but you can do as little as 1 minute frequencies. And then you have heart rate alerts, which allow you to alert every time your heart rate hits a certain number. You have idle alerts, which is basically your wearable telling you to get off your butt and do something because you haven't moved. You have auto lock. Ooh, password. You can set a password. And then finally, system settings. Swipe to the right gives you heart rate. So this allows you to measure your heart rate just whenever you want. There you go. And then we have sleep data. Ugh, temperature, it's so hot. Calories. So these are your steps and standing minutes. I'm assuming those are minutes. You have your music control and back to the watch face. If I go the other way, it gives me the same thing. Tapping on this button on the right gives you this quick menu. You have exercises here, and this thing has GPS actually. You have activity records. You have all the data. Heart rate, sleep, breathing. So this gives you breathing exercises because sometimes, guys, we need to be relaxing. All right, there is a compass. What's this? Air pressure, interesting. And then music control. What's this? Alarms, stopwatch, timer, weather, notifications. Ooh. Always useful. For people who always lose their phones, this is really important. Flashlight, what's this? Help. And finally, we're back to the settings.
First of all, there's a pink version of the Mi Watch Lite. Totally a selling point for me that there are different color options. This watch is priced at 50 euros or around 61 US dollars. That's definitely a good price for all it does, and it's a tiny step up from the cheaper Mi Band 5. It gives you a more tactile experience because there's more screen, and it gives you more features like GPS, for example, which is a very big selling point for an affordable device like this. But unlike the more expensive Mi Watch, there's no SpO2 tracker, though some would argue that blood oxygen trackers on wearables aren't really medical grade and thus of little use, though that's a different conversation altogether. And sure, the Mi Watch Lite gives you a bigger screen, but if you want a more full-on smartwatch experience, I'd say check out the Mi Watch. I'm also missing the menstrual cycles tracker that Xiaomi introduced on the Mi Band 5 on both the Mi Watch and the Mi Watch Lite. Nevertheless, there are 11 workout modes on this thing. Xiaomi claims 9 days of battery and 5 ATM waterproofing. I say the Mi Band Lite is a capable basic smartwatch for those who want a more tactile experience when it comes to their wearables.
That was our first look at the Mi Watch Lite. Definitely a great value for money device. It's a great lightweight wearable if you're looking for something to start your New Year's resolutions with. Of course, it's just my first look at this device. To test out all other features, I'd need more time with this. Let me know what your questions are down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this watch. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's at LAZADA_ on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Until next time!